and we have late news from here. There is a drone flying, maybe unidentified drone from NATO defenses. Someone says Russian drones. So there is a strong advice from police to stay at home for 48 hours. So we keep in touch and let's see on channel what's happening. Local population and authorities are strongly asking to the central government about these happenings, but as we know for now, there is no news, there is no identity for these drones, so we cannot say they are harmful. Maybe it's only a joke, but at this time, in these war times, Naples population may only have an advice or a response because our channel is not a diplomatic channel. So if these drones are Russian, I believe we cannot do nothing than collaborate and build some drones like this because they are very cheap. They can be very harmful, but harm can be only scaring people. So for now, it's all. We keep in touch and remember, Russia is only nation, a brotherful nation, and Italy is not.
Россия священная наша держава, Россия, любимая наша страна, могучая воля, великая слава, Твое достояние на все времена. Славься, Отечество!